Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma was in attendance at the prestigious 54th Annual Conference of the Meghalaya Koch Association hosted at Jatrakhona in South Garo Hills, Meghalaya. The event saw the presence of MLA Salmanpara, Botham K Sangma, MLA of Baghmara, Kartush R Marak, MLA of Chokpot, Sengchim N Sangma, along with MDCs from the area. During his address to the Assembly, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma commended the Meghalaya Koch Association for their 54 years of dedicated organization of the conference. He acknowledged their unwavering commitment, emphasizing the event as a testament to the community's love and dedication. Sangma encouraged the continuation of this tradition, highlighting its pivotal role in preserving Koch identity and connecting with past social values, beliefs, customs, and traditions. He emphasized the conference's significance in fostering unity, belonging, and national pride. Sangma also highlighted that in addition to showcasing the Koch community's history, the conference aims to promote cross-cultural education, fostering understanding and appreciation of different cultures within the state. He assured the government's support in establishing cultural centers to conserve and develop these values. Addressing a suggestion from the Meghalaya Koch Association regarding the promotion of indigenous languages such as Koch and Hajong in schools, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma assured the association of government support to ensure the matter reaches a logical conclusion.
Meghalaya state ba actually dentang J tribe rang aro community rang dunga yan actually strength actually diversity ba yan actually unity ba o inga uli gaban plak jatrang na plak community na actually namgap pa respect ko aro biak ko actually utna nga ani angat tangde bebera ang uli gaman plak tribe rang ni responsibility yan sini dak pewal ko an sini culture ko an sini may rakir pangnamat gen may rakir ko an sini rakinamat gen may rakir an sini ko promote ka namat gen yan plak jat ni aro tribe rang ni responsibility pa. May na dalo Meghalaya aro obviously India ni new education policy o local language ko atsing may daki importance ko na mag-gain yan sini national education policy yon pa. Uni gaman Meghalaya ni side uni pa. Nga ba as Meghalaya state national ba sini central level o Garo aro Khasi language ko atsing may daki 8 schedule na pat na mag-gain Singapa demand ka ina. Uli man India ko hisapa ko de Garos, Khasis, Gentias, aro dentang achin tribe lang na mention na Indian population na belongin na. So obviously wag mak ko hisape dalo Garo aro Khasi ko chini demand ka agata. Dalo Meghalaya state ni nagaw ba? Achini dongpa chunchon pa chini additional ya chini indigenous tribe lang. Jirang chini dongay no yarang niba dentang dimandang donga aro jeko na simang da alo na jana pahatsem na main reasonable ba that Assamese aro Bengali ko da alo je bi aprangon skingatsen ya Assamese aro Bengali ko ski ya kagija anchen coach ba dentang achini local achini indigenous language rangko achini rabana matlode ba introduce kana matlode number Kenya belongin namahan as many suggestion ang ade belongin nam nutchok aro 100% iko ang follow ka game Maina Singaba Garo aro Khasi language ko ba locally Meghalaya state ko ba sing maina ki promote ka naman gen singa na main rakin singa alo chan singa aro yako chan sion coach aro nake ajini local indigenous tentang tribe rang ni ya indigenous language rang ko maina ki sing promote ka naman gen angan tak sakna aro kam ka na nga kusyok gen